In this video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook cannot create page error. So if you're trying to create a new page of Facebook and if you're having issues with it, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now the first thing that you can immediately do is try to switch your network. If you're currently using your Wi-Fi, try switching to your cellular data or vice versa. Also make sure that your Facebook personal account has a linked phone number. If your account is only linked with an email address, this is likely what is causing the issue. So make sure you add any phone number as well and then try to create a page. Now if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can do is try to create the Facebook page using the Meta Business Suite. If you're trying to create the page using just the Facebook app, this sometimes causes issues. So what you need to do is open up a web browser using your desktop or your laptop, head over to Meta Business Suite, log into your account and try to see if you can then create your account. Now what also happens is whenever you try to name your Facebook business page, the Meta automatically filters blocked names out. So what you can also try out is try to change the correct name or the name that you're trying to apply. So once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix the Facebook cannot create page error. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next video.